The host gon' love this. You'll get over it.
Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel. I'm XXO Bubbles, but this is Bubbles Beauty. Okay. I decided randomly to do these big ass buns, and you guys are gonna watch me do them and you're gonna enjoy them. Now, I don't really have a bun combo. I don't know if it's called a bun combo. I don't know how to make cute buns. I do this technique, but I want more techniques. So if you have any other techniques, go ahead and comment that down below and let me know. But for right now, just check it out.
Hey y'all, so we're gonna start off by trying to do these ponytails. I was gonna twist it up into a bun, but look at that. I don't even like the way that looks, so we're not gonna do that. And I don't know, I think I was talking shit to my boyfriend because I be messing with him a lot, so we probably just had a conversation, but we're not talking about that. We're gonna be talking about these bun combos I'm trying because, you know, get it together, Bubbles, let's go. So what I decided to do was to make a little bun and have extra hair at the top so I can fold that down into another bun. I know it sounds crazy making two buns in one bun to make a bun, but stick with me, y'all. Stick with me and enjoy. We're gonna vibe out. We're gonna rock out with our out. You feel me? These baby hairs, like, I don't know how I feel about that. I had to go ahead and flatten the hair down so the bun looked like smooth. I didn't want it to be all bulky and whatnot. And I didn't really think about how heavy this shit is. But go ahead and, you know, just check out the video.
Turn a pandemic into a pandemic, you know that's the shit that we on. Them niggas gon' pull up and let the shit that's together, won't fuck with you home. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, is taking it. It's a problem with you, then we straightening it. Swap out the cap with a demon in it. Upgrade the band up with fiends in it. I got some shooters you seen with me. We're running shit back at the scene tinted. We gonna get straightening, yeah. Straightening, yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. You don't get shit straight up, you don't straighten it. No, I'm the type to sit back and watch patient. Do a trick with the stick, it's amazing. In the bando, jumping that bacon. Lows on like I'm starting the matrix. I keep the cookie like my grandma made it. I get the keys and the pounds and the babies. In the fridge came white like shady. Got a Lambo through the avenue. Pretty little bit with the attitude. Give a shout out to them white boys. All white boys, no radical. Keep you a five, don't let them take it. If they get charged, you gotta get straight. I cut you up, I give them a facelift. My niggas working and spending the day shift. I got them right when you see me. Decades. And back to back, it's a repeat. Championship, it's a three-piece. Shoot out the window like Drizzy and Freaky. I keep it on me, believe me. I be up high where the trees be. I go and put on so much in this ice. They say don't touch me, you gon' freeze me. Straightening, yeah. Straightening, yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening.
These buns would be so cute if they were on the top of my head and not the side. It looks like I have dog ears, and you know how like dogs, like they can move their ears really high. Dogs' ears go up when they're excited and down when they're sad. That's how I feel like my buns are doing. I was just showing you my rubber bands as well. I don't know what I was saying. Like, I was just talking to my boyfriend, but I guess right here I'm about to flatten my hair down. I'm just comparing of what I want and what I don't want. Like, I just want the hair to be high and not so low. But you know what? Give me a second. We're going to think about what's going to make it look better, okay? I found some bobby pins, bitch, and this is what we finna do, period. Try to pin some of the hair like that. It started to work. Okay, we got some here. We got some. Look at there. So let me try the other one and see how this goes. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bitch. Oh, I don't know what I was saying, but I tried to match it up. This is Bubbles Beauty, period. Get it together. This look came out really cute.
Thank you for watching how I make buns. I don't even know what this is called. Okay, well, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully you guys can show me some more. If you know how to do pretty buns, can you go ahead and comment that because I need to know how to do buns. Like, that's why I don't wear my real hair really, because I don't know what to do anymore. That's why I be sticking with wigs. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and get it together. What are you doing? Why are you not subscribed yet? What's wrong with you? Get it together. Alrighty guys, bye.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no flow. High fashion, like go yard, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah.